Hey folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here at the Yamava Casino with
Third Hand.
We're in front of the Diamonds and Devils machine. $100 in, just $3 a bet. We're gonna see if those little Diablos will come through for us. If we get 3 of them, we can get the bonus games. 3 free games. 3 of them will give us free games. Yeah, whatever I'm saying. It's a single pay line. Also, if we get the diamonds, 3 of those in the line, we can also get free games. There you go, 10 free games. It is quadruple hand pick. It still has to land on the line. Otherwise, it doesn't amount to much.
8 bonus games and 3 times.
Yeah, but something has to land. Come on now. Yeah, like I say, free games is so good, it's enough to happen. Wow. Is this what you call less than lucrative? No, they gave us anything. And there you have it. Well, that was quite exciting. Yay! Let's try that again. This time with a little more substantialness to it. A little better. Sherry saving the day. Come on, let's get 3 of those doubles, 3 more diamonds. Alright, Third Hand, about time to buy something. It's funny we got those 3 diamonds in a straight line, but they could be, there's kind of an angle here. They could be anywhere. Come on, we only get 57s. Oh, all those 7s and nothing lining up. Halfway through the money. 1 more. Oh. It kind of went dry. 1 more. Getting close to the bottom. Here we go. And the cherry saved the day. And the last one, folks, is going to be nothing. All right, well, there we go. An extra much. All right, we gave it a try, put $100 in, walking away with 0. Didn't turn out to be anything, but we'll try something else. As always, thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care. Hey folks, Johnny Escato, Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the Enclave at the Yamava Casino. I'm standing next to
Me, Third Hand.
and we're in front of the Panda Magic game. $250 in, $12.50 a spin. Third Hand hit the button. Well, let's see if we can get the Panda to get together with old Moochie there and bring us some luck. 3 of the lanterns is free games. 6 of those sunbursts is the hold and spin. And the Pandas are wild. Oh, there, a big bet, big win. Let's parlay that up into something decent. Moochie, go get some friends. We had $2.50 for one and $5. Now we'll have a 10. Nope, wrong one. We need some magic to happen here. Halfway through the money already. We need a bonus round. One more? Yes. There's the bonus round we were looking for. Now, will it equal anything? Because just because it's 3 games, let's get the hold and spin now. Wow, so far it's nothing. There we go. 2 extra games just to add to it. And again, let's get the hold and spin. And again, oh, this and that for nothing. Still equaling nothing. My goodness. Wow. I have to say I'm surprised, folks. All we got was the win for the actual elections. We got $50. Yeah. That was a little disappointing. We actually got the... I'm a little chagrined, but it's a win, so let's continue on. Nonetheless, see if we can get something again. Nothing like getting those 3 games and getting extras and still it equaling nothing. Well, you can make it up anytime now, game. If I ask for another round of excitement, will it come through? All right, last 2 tries. There we go. And the last one, folks, is going to be, is it a save? No, it's not. It's nothing. So there you have it. Flavor Saver is a winner, but my breath is not being held. As rightly it should not have been. Okay, well, put in $2.50, walking away with 0. We gave it a try. We'll have to try something else. As always, thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care.